to create bigger and more deadly atomic bombs. Watching the devastating effects of their explosions is both alluring and terrifying. So here are 10 of the most powerful nuclear explosions in human history. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to make sure you get updated every time we post a video. If you do this, please leave a comment saying I subbed or something funny, and we will make sure to reply to every single one of your comments. Thank you guys so much. But without further ado, let's go straight to the video. Number 10. Little Boy, United States, 1945. Yield 15 kilotons. Little Boy was the code name for the atomic bomb dropped on the Japanese city of Hiroshima on 6th of August 1945 during World War II. Number 9. Fat Man, United States, 1945. Yield 21 kilotons. Fat Man was the code name for the atomic bomb that was detonated over the Japanese city of Nagasaki by the United States on 9th of August 1945. It was the second of the only 2 nuclear weapons ever used in warfare. Number 8. Operation Hurricane, United Kingdom, 1952. Yield 25 kilotons. Codenamed as Operation Hurricane, this bomb was the first ever atomic device to be used by the United Kingdom. Number 7. Mark 36 nuclear bomb, United States, 1957. Yield 10 megatons. The Mark 36 was a thermonuclear bomb using a multi-stage fusion secondary system to generate yields up to about 10 megatons, 666 times that of the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Number 6. Operation Ivy Mike, United States, 1952. Yield 10.4 megatons. Ivy Mike was the codename given to the first test of a full-scale thermonuclear device in which part of the explosive yield comes from nuclear fission. Number 5. Castle Yankee, United States, 1954. Yield 13.5 megatons. Although it had been predicted to produce a yield of 6 to 10 megatons, it actually produced a yield of 13.5 megatons, the second largest ever yield in a US fusion weapon test. Number 4. Castle Bravo, United States, 1954. Yield 15 megatons. Number 3. Novaya Zemlya, August 5 test, Soviet Union, 1962. Yield 21.1 megatons. This unnamed bomb was tested by the Soviets in 1962. At 21.1 megatons, it was over 1,400 times more powerful than Little Boy that was dropped on Hiroshima. Number 2. Test 219, Soviet Union, 1962. Yield 24.2 megatons. This was one of the biggest bombs tested by the Soviets. It was a thermonuclear fusion bomb with a yield of about 24.2 megatons. It had a destruction radius of about 6 miles, making it the second largest thermonuclear explosion in history. Number 1. Tsar Bomba, Soviet Union, 1961. Yield 50 megatons. The Tsar Bomba was the most powerful nuclear weapon ever detonated. With a power of more than 3,300 Hiroshima blasts, the shockwave surrounded the Earth 3 times. The mushroom cloud it produced reached 64 kilometers in the air, more than 7 times the height of Mount Everest.
Шар превращается в колоссальный светящийся купол. Яркое свечение еще продолжается. В этом опыте оно длится необычайно долго. мегатонная ударная волна. Постепенно поры воды, сконденсировавшиеся со фронтом ударной волны, рассеиваются, раскаленное облако уходит вверх, увлекая за собой гигантский пылевой столб.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this informative video. Please do subscribe if you haven't done it already, and leave a thumbs up on the video if you think it's good and if you want to see more of these kind of videos in the future. Also, big thanks for your continuous support of this channel and for subscribing, for liking, for commenting and everything else. You guys are the absolute best, and I will see you in the next video. This is Viral Trends, signing out. Ciao!